Module 6, Advanced Agile Topics. Agile Scaling Frameworks, Scrum at Scale, Safe, Less. Agile scaling frameworks are used to help large organizations implement Agile methodologies at scale. Here are some of the most popular Agile scaling frameworks. 1. Scrum at Scale. Scrum at Scale is a framework designed to help organizations scale the Scrum methodology. It provides a set of guidelines and practices for coordinating multiple Scrum teams and ensuring that they are aligned with the organization's overall goals. 2. Scaled Agile Framework. SAFe is a widely used Agile scaling framework that provides a structured approach to implementing Agile methodologies at scale. It includes a set of practices, roles, and artifacts, and provides guidance for coordinating multiple Agile teams across large organizations. 3. Large-Scale Scrum. Less is another Agile scaling framework that is designed to help organizations implement Scrum at scale. It provides a set of guidelines for coordinating multiple Scrum teams, including a set of roles, ceremonies, and artifacts. Each Agile scaling framework has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best framework for a particular organization will depend on a variety of factors, including the size of the organization, the complexity of the projects, and the needs of the customers. It's important to choose an Agile scaling framework that aligns with the organization's goals and culture, and to continuously monitor and adjust the framework as needed to ensure its effectiveness. Agile Adoption and Implementation. Adopting and implementing Agile methodologies can be a challenging process, especially for organizations that are used to traditional project management approaches. Here are some key considerations for Agile adoption and implementation. 1. Start with small, pilot projects. It's often a good idea to start with small, pilot projects to get a feel for how Agile methodologies work and to identify any issues that need to be addressed before scaling up. This can help build momentum and demonstrate the benefits of Agile to stakeholders. 2. Get buy-in from stakeholders. Agile requires a cultural shift in the organization, so it's important to get buy-in from stakeholders at all levels, including senior management, team members, and customers. This can involve education and training to help stakeholders understand the benefits of Agile and how it can be implemented effectively. 3. Establish a clear vision and goals. It's important to have a clear vision and goals for Agile adoption and implementation, including what the organization hopes to achieve and how success will be measured. This can help ensure that everyone is aligned and working towards the same objectives. 4. Provide training and support. Agile methodologies require new skills and ways of working, so it's important to provide training and support to team members and stakeholders to help them adapt to the new approach. This can involve training on Agile methodologies, tools, and techniques, and providing ongoing coaching and support. 5. Continuously monitor and adapt. Agile is based on the principle of continuous improvement, so it's important to continuously monitor and adapt the Agile approach as needed to ensure its effectiveness. This can involve regular retrospectives, feedback loops, and adapting the Agile methodology to fit the organization's unique needs. By following these key considerations, organizations can successfully adopt and implement Agile methodologies, leading to improved collaboration, faster delivery of value, and increased customer satisfaction. Agile Leadership and Management. Agile methodologies rely on a collaborative, self-organizing team that operates within a flexible framework. This means that traditional hierarchical management structures may not be effective in an Agile environment. Instead, Agile requires a different approach to leadership and management, one that emphasizes empowerment, trust, and collaboration. Here are some key principles of Agile leadership and management. 1. Servant leadership. Agile leaders serve their teams by removing obstacles, providing support and resources, and helping team members to develop their skills and capabilities. This involves putting the needs of the team ahead of their own and empowering team members to take ownership of their work. 2. Trust and collaboration. Agile leaders trust their teams to make decisions and collaborate effectively to achieve their goals. This involves creating a culture of trust, where team members feel safe to express their opinions and ideas, and where there is a shared sense of ownership and accountability. 3. Adaptive planning. Agile leaders understand that plans are subject to change and are willing to adapt to new information and changing circumstances. This involves embracing an iterative and incremental approach to planning, where plans are updated based on feedback and learning. 4. Continuous improvement. Agile leaders are committed to continuous improvement, both for themselves and for their teams. This involves regularly reflecting on successes and failures and identifying opportunities for improvement. 5. Communication and transparency. Agile leaders prioritize clear and open communication, both within the team and with stakeholders. This involves regularly communicating progress and challenges and providing transparency around decision-making processes. By adopting these principles, Agile leaders can create a culture of collaboration, trust, and continuous improvement that enables their teams to deliver value more effectively.